In the Pouring Rain, Lament is a song that was born of an experience of loss and sadness. Being a lament, the song conveys how important it is to express our feelings, both good and bad, to God, especially because life is not always easy. The song expresses how it's okay to own the sadness that we have all experienced in times of mourning. At Lourdes Hill College, the song resonates us through the message that God is always with us in the good times, but also, and more importantly, in the bad times. In the Pouring Rain reminds us that even through the rain and when we've lost ourselves, we can find God's face, turn to Him, and be safe.